Okay guys, quick update on the car. Finally figured out the problem. So from the outside it looked like it was on timing, but I actually took the cam gear off of the camshaft and seen that the key was broken. So the camshaft itself was rotated probably about 90 degrees, but figured everything out. Still got some more work to do. There's some wheels on it. And oh yeah, when I got it started I found out the fuel pump's going bad and it squeaks like crazy. So that's another thing I have to do, but making progress. And yeah, I'll give you guys a quick startup and show you that we're making progress.